and hopefully you're already on this webpage if you're watching this video. But in today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the Debate Learning Paperless system. So the first thing you need to do is you need to click on LibreOffice homepage, which is a link provided on the website. When you click on it, you'll want to click on Download Now, and then you'll want to install it. You should pause the video here and get it completely installed. Great. Now that you have installed LibreOffice, I want you to download all of these files right here, all 4 of them. They're down here in my tray. You can see that I've already downloaded them. And the next thing I want you to do is open up a Debate Learning template, or just open up LibreOffice Writer, or you can just click on the template and open it up. I've clicked on the template and opened it up. The first thing I'm going to show you how to do is to install the extensions, which are all the macros. So you want to click on Tools, and then you want to click on Extension Manager, and you'll see I've already installed the Debate Learning macros, or the extension right here. But for you, you'll want to click Add, and then you'll want to go to wherever you downloaded the debatelearning.oxt file. Here I have it still in my downloads file from when I downloaded it. You'll click on that and put it up in here, and then you'll click Close. You've now successfully added all of the macros that are necessary for the Debate Learning Paperless system to operate. The second thing you're going to want to do is to get the key configuration ready to go. So in order to do that, you're going to go back to Tools, you'll click on Customize, and from there you'll notice there are 5 different options up here on this toolbar. You'll want to click on Keyboard, and then you'll want to click Load. From there, you'll want to go back to where you downloaded those files, and you'll see it's called debatelearningkeys.cfg. You'll click on that, click Open, and then click OK. That will then officially get your Debate Learning Paperless system installed and ready to go. And as you can see here, when you open up the template, and the template specifically, you'll have all of these buttons there, and you'll be able to do lots of interesting things with the key configurations that we'll discuss in another video.